Could you imagine traveling entire length of India on just a electric scooter? Ola Electric is making it possible with over 1 lakh electric charging point all over the nation. Welcome to day 3 of 30 days, 30 unique business strategies. Today we will be discussing about how Ola is changing entire electric scooter industry. With an investment of $2 billion, Ola Electric is committed to develop electric stations all over the India and guaranteeing you a full charge within 18 minutes. It is less than you usually drink coffee at a coffee shop. So the major drawback of electric scooter is that it takes time to charge, so it is not suitable for long range. But with this unique strategy, Ola Electric would be capturing a large market in electric segment and will definitely maintain its first position in Indian electric market and can go globally also. So Ola Electric sold more than 5 lakh units last year. So could you predict that how many units Ola Electric can sell in this year? So that's it for the day 3. See you on day 4. We are committed to deliver you 30 unique business strategies. So follow ARPAL PAHADE for more such content. Thank you for watching.